Guys, I need your help on this one. Yes, guys. Yes. Welcome back to the channel. Yes, as the intro said, we're not doing anything on the bike today. Today, I need your help with tools. Tools, and tools. So let's get into it. Yeah, it might come as a bit of a surprise to you guys, but I ain't no mechanic, man. What? Yes, I'll do videos and shit on the bike, taking stuff apart, taking the tanks off and fitting stuff, but there's a lot behind the scenes that falls apart or is shit because the main reason is I ain't got good tools. I've got selection of tools and now I'll show you in a minute, but this is my day-to-day job. I work in IT. I work in data, looking after data for various different clients. This is my MacBook, this is my work laptop. I have very small, girly hands.
Come on, big money.
I have no power or crank to actually undo bolts and stuff. I wouldn't say I'm weak, but I'm just not mechanically designed to work on with tools. Because if the new Hyper, the V2's coming along, I don't want to wreck that and then blame my tools. So let's get into this. I've just got a little cheap £100 toolbox. These are my fuel canisters that I use to carry around on my 698s. If I've run out of fuel, I think they're 1.5 litres. Gorilla duct tape. Everyone needs duct tape. Some rubber mallets, some hammers, a torque wrench, which you know I don't fucking use. So I have no idea why I've got that there, but yeah, it's there. Some set of Allen keys. But in here is just loads of stuff I've collected. Well, the top is just tat. It's just loads of rubbish. But when it comes to tools, I think with most of us amateurs, I've just got a collection of stuff. So I've had to buy sockets for real wheel nuts on different bikes. Obviously, I've got a front one. I've got these big impact ones, but I ain't got an impact gun. So I don't know why I've got that. I've got this little oil remover stuff. You know, I've got this small ratchet system just to get into the small bolts. But then I've got a whole load of shit that I have no idea what order they're in, what sizes there are, whether they fit or not. My ratchets are not the best. They're really shit. 3 have already broken. I think I've only got 2 left because they're crap. I've actually got some decent tools. And that's only because other people have given them to me. So the stuff that people have given to me has worked. The other shit is stuff that I've just bought over the years from either Amazon or eBay, just trying to be tight because, I don't know, no real reason. I'm not mechanically minded, really. I'd rather do stuff on computers and stuff, but this is just a collection of shit. So, yeah, spanners. I have got, these spanners are so rubbish. Like, I bought these ones, these little ratchety type ones, which are a little bit better now, but the other, my OEM ones, they just round really easily. And I've got another collection of this. You know what, this reminds me when I watch other people's videos of, this is like, you know, the relegated toolbox, the shit one that people, they can't throw it away, but they just leave it in the back of the shed. So what I need your help with, you guys that work on bikes and stuff, whether it's, you know, supermotos, sports bikes, race bikes, adventures, tourers, I just need to get a decent set of tools. So that would be obviously ratchets, extensions, sockets and stuff. Definitely spanners and good set of Allen keys and screwdrivers and stuff like that. And a few people have mentioned tool company called Wera, Wera, and they do really good hex tools. So I've had a look into them. They're not too bad. I think £40 for a set. They do different types. There's in the UK we have this Halfords, which is like a big auto store. They've got this professional set, like 200-piece professional set, lifetime guarantee. I know a lot of people who use them. They say they're really good. I think it's about 250 quid, but they do like some deals and stuff like that. I don't really know of any other makes, and I probably will keep this little tool chest or toolbox, but I just need a collection of tools. When it comes to sockets, because I watched that YouTube channel M539 Restorations, a guy from Germany that does BMWs, Mercedes. He's got Bentley flying spur. I love his stuff. I could sit there hours watching his stuff. But he recommended a tool set called Vigor, which is I think 172 piece. And he's German and he uses them and they've been great for him. So if I can, I think it's about 100 quid as well, but he's the only guy that I know that's used them. So if there's anyone else of you guys that have got decent, you know, off the shelf, buy a little case that you can take it around, tuck it in your boot. If you're working around the bike, you don't have to keep walking back. You can just carry the little set with you everywhere. I just need some ideas on how I can get a decent set so I can work better on bikes and not be scared of rounding bolts and, you know, rounding bolts. And Here, this one was a right pain in the arse, rounding all those bolts up there. Fucking had to get the jaw piece out and that kind of shit. Yeah, so yes, this is a call. This is a call to the fans, the subscribers, you general mechanically minded guys. Give me some suggestions. I'll probably want to spend £300-400 tops max. I don't want to go too ballistic. It is going to be my birthday coming up soon, next month in February. So, you know, I might be able to blag it, tell the missus to chip in and that kind of shit. So, yeah, man. Shout out to all the, while we're here on the toolbox, I might as well give a quick toolbox mention. So we've got Robbie Moto YouTube channel. Go on check him out. SM Platinum Pro did the wheels. Obviously Motor Million, Manny sponsors the channel. Austin Racing, can't wait for the exhaust he's going to do. Volcano seats, get your good seats from him. Marcello, Conquest Racing, Shift Tech Carbon, Sprint Fluids, Hyper Design, MNN TB HBX, Stealth Mirrors, and JT Sprockets. And on the top, Heel Tech, Limitless Speed Up from Malaysia Boys, and RK Takazago Chains. So yeah, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you tell me what fucking tools to buy so I don't end up fucking up this bike and the next one. So yeah, catch you in the next one.